What's good, YouTube?
It's your boy Nay.
It's your girl Amaris.
And we are back with another video. Today we are trying
this nature cereal that everybody been talking about, and I just feel like we need to try it.
But I'm sorry, we got our finish line shirts on. We just got home from work. Rushed home to make a video for you guys.
So we got our ice, coconut water, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. That the pomegranate are seeds.
Yeah,
I don't know the
seeds
correct term, but and then I cut up some strawberries just so we can have
coconut water.
So at first I was gonna use apple juice because I know I don't like coconut water, so I wasn't even gonna try coconut water, but I'm gonna try it the real correct way. So I hope I like it because this was $30 just for the fruit and the coconut water, like. So, ugh. All right, got our bowls. I think we put some ice. I'm not gonna overdo it on the ice more.
No, that's good.
I'm not gonna overdo it on the ice because truthfully, I don't even put.
What are you putting first? Like,
I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna do strawberries first. I'm only gonna do a couple of. I'm only gonna do a little bit of everything because I don't like to be wasteful. And I don't know, right? How about if it's fire?
my breakfast.
So we got strawberries.
I'm gonna do some.
I'm only gonna do like 3 each, to be honest. I love raspberries, y'all. You know me. Any type of fruit, I'm here for it.
Blueberries.
Fire. I love blueberries, my favorite.
Blackberry. I never had a blackberry.
What is that?
Damn, these are all seeds.
Remember we made a smoothie that time and had frozen blackberries and it was like, you don't like that? Is this mold?
No.
Yes. Anyway.
Oh, this is how it looked before we put the coconut water in.
So, I'm so scared right now. I want to take a video of y'all real quick. Ew, don't even lie and say you like it. It's alright. Alright, you guys. Don't put a lot. That's enough. Yes, I was fiending to try this. I was watching videos of people trying it. I was watching.
This is how it looked with the coconut water in it. I need a nice scoop.
I'm scared.
I need a nice scoop.
I don't think you're supposed to eat the ice. I'm gonna try to get everything. Cause if it's nasty,
this is a nice scoop right here.
y'all not getting another bite out of me.
This is my first scoop.
Alright, you ready?
I need a blueberry.
Alright, ready? 1, 2.
Hold on. We need the cheers.
Ready?
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Ready for the front?
I don't like that. I gotta chew on the pomegranate.
This shit fire.
For real? Ew. I'm gonna try it again, but
This is fire.
Oh, I don't like it. Let me try it again.
Ice cube?
Yeah, everything.
My least favorite fruit by far is the blackberries.
Okay, hold on.
Blackberries is not it.
Wait a minute. I got 3 complaints. Alright, first of all, it's good because you don't taste the coconut water, which I was very nervous about because like I said, I don't like coconut water. But all the fruit tastes good as you eat it. It actually really is good. It's not bad at all. I do not like chewing on a pomegranate seeds or whatever. Like it tastes good until you actually chew on it and then it leaves a nasty taste in your mouth. I don't even know if you're supposed to chew on those or not. But I think you chew. I think you like chew and suck on them and then spit them out. I'm not sure. And then another thing I don't like is like the ice. Like I'll probably have this again minus the ice and coconut water.
This is good.
I can't do coconut water.
Blackberries is trash.
I can't. Maybe with some apple juice. You know, I'm gonna try this again with some apple juice because I actually love apple juice. And I know I'll have no problem.
Would you rate this out of 10?
I'm gonna give this. Let me try one more time. I'm gonna try and get myself to like it. I just can't do it. It's the coconut water.
You said it was like 8 different things. I don't even know coconut water. I give this a 8.
An 8?
An 8. The reason I give it an 8 is because the blackberries and the pomegranate seeds, like you gotta chew, like, and then like you just take nothing but seeds. What the fuck? You only take nothing but seeds, and then my braces, and it's getting stuck.
Alright.
That's why I give it an 8 though. You remove them 2 fruits and you add like some grapes or something. Probably a 10.
I told you this aggravated me the first time.
What you rate it?
I'm gonna give this a 3 because
Damn.
alright, maybe a 4 or 5 because the coconut water I just can't like
You say you don't even taste the coconut water.
at first, but that's because when I first took the fruit I like canceled out all the coconut water like this. I drained it and I just ate the fruit and it was all raspberry, so it overpowered everything. Anyway, I used 4, calm 4.5, definitely not higher than 5 because like I said, the water, the coconut water, I can't. And these right here, I don't like chewing on them. The blackberries I'm used to because I don't really taste the seeds in the blackberries. But I don't like chewing on that because it just, I don't know. By itself, 5.
Do you recommend this though?
I would recommend this definitely 100% if you like coconut water. If you like coconut water, yes, 100%. Okay. I don't like the ice either because I'm not chewing on ice. The coconut, I mean not the coconut water. Damn, that shit had me traumatized. this, 100% recommend. 10 out of 10 because it's great. Like, it's a good idea, like a really good idea. If you're trying to go healthy, if you just want to snack, if you love fruit, whatever the reason is, it's a great idea. So I would recommend 10 out of 10. But if you do not like coconut water like me, stay away and just eat your bowl of fruit. Or put apple juice or something, maybe cranberry juice. Like I said, I'm gonna try my apple juice that I got. And see, but I like the idea. It was cute. I was feeling to try this for like 2 weeks already. I finally went and I got this stuff yesterday.
But there you have it.
I'm gonna just eat my fruit. That's because thing that I didn't.
What is it called? Nature's cereal?
Nature's cereal.
Okay. There you have it. This is us trying the Nature's cereal.
Make sure y'all wash that fruit too before you put it in here.
Yeah, don't use old fruit that's been in the fridge for like a week or.
I gotta be fresh.
Fresh fruit though.
But I love it. I'm gonna eat all this stuff separately though. And I don't know what we're gonna do with that. But comment any other food videos you want to see us do or try.
Yeah, comment out weird food videos, like
Next
food
video.
tries. The weirdest food tries y'all want us to try.
The weirdest food try.
The weirdest food combination that y'all want us to try, whatever.
That's the next video. I actually already have a list. I just got it from a family members and friends that just tell me to try weird stuff. So next day off, I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I pick up a whole bunch of weird stuff to try together, or TikTok hacks, whatever you guys see that involves food. I'm down and I'm there. Just let me know. Until next time.
See you guys. Peace.